everyone, welcome to my Elf Queen tutorial. I've actually gone ahead and prepped my face with primer water, True Match liquid concealer, Dream Matte mousse for my eyes, and Covergirl clean pressed powder. So taking my rose powder, I'm going to start off by using a kabuki brush to add another layer of powder to even out my skin tone. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush all along my cheekbones in an upward sweeping motion, adding a little bit to my nose as well. Then I'm going to take my highlighter stick and add a generous amount of highlighter to my cheekbones and my temples. After blending my highlighter with my fingers for a bit, I'm going to further accentuate my cheekbones with a little bit of highlighting powder. Once again, I'm going to come in with my highlighter stick on my Cupid's bow. Next, I'm going to use my Celestial Rose Eyeshadow palette, and using a warm bronze color, I'm going to begin adding some color to the crease of my eyelid, blending upwards. For a little bit more drama, I'm going to take a dark chocolate color and use it to really deepen my eyes by adding it to the crease of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take my NYX color crayon in the color Milk and draw along my eyelid, inner eye, and slightly below my tear duct. Using a light creamy gold color, I'm going to blend in my white color crayon. Next, I'm going to use my Revlon Colorstay Felt Tip Liquid Eye Pen to make a very small and subtle cat eye. For my mascara, I'm using Total Temptation by Maybelline, adding it to my upper lashes and just a little bit for my lower lashes. After adding some chapstick, I'm going to go back in with my blush and darken my cheeks just a bit. Using the same highlighter stick and highlighting powder, I'm going to brighten my nose, forehead, and Cupid's bow ever so slightly. Taking my light creamy gold color once more, I'm going to add a bit of eyeshadow to my brow bone. Using a flathead brush, I'm going to go back into the inner corners of my eyes and add some glitter. Again with my flathead brush, I'm going to take my darkest contour powder and fill in my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to fill in my lips with a bronze metallic liquid lipstick. Next, it's time to add some magnetic eyelashes. Last but not least, I'm going to take my warm bronze color and go back in to darken a little bit around the crease of my eye, as well as just underneath my eye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to know all the products I used in this video, the list is going to be in the description right underneath the video. And if you want to keep in touch, please find me on social media. See you next time!